Hello everyone, I am excited to announce an open house at my newest listing located at 29 West 231 Brown Avenue in West Chicago. This beautiful brick home has been lovely maintained by its original owner and will hit the market tomorrow. So if you are looking for the home with a huge backyard, this is the one for you. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and finished basement. We all invite you to join us for an open house this Saturday, March 25th from 12 to 2 p.m. Come and see for yourself all that this amazing home have to offer. So if you are unable to attend, please do not hesitate to contact me, Tracy Tran, at 630-890-8947 for a private showing. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you at the open house. Thanks.